What are current mortgage rates?
That's a great question.
For
private?
Yeah.
It's a great question because current private mortgage rates can be as low on a first mortgage, 75% loan to value, marketable property could be as low as probably 9%, and you might have 2% in fees. So that would put you at an 11% annual percentage rate. What's interesting about that right now is that is very comparable to a B lender. So what the home trusts of the world, you guys remember like Equitable, these were kind of like the marginal lenders. Private lending and B lending is very, very similar right now. And private lending is easier to qualify for because you don't have to go under the stress test.
Yeah.
So when your clients are talking about private mortgages, if they're going to get a private mortgage, don't deter them, right? Don't think it's a bad thing because it is comparable with the B, but just make sure they have an exit strategy and make sure the broker gave them 2 or 3 options. The worst thing I see for clients, things like that, they get one commitment shoved in front of them and it's the best one. Well, it might not be. Give me 2 or 3 and let me pick, because there's lots of private lenders out there still.
And are lenders like putting in things to, like, they don't want the renewal, they want to repurpose the money, right? That's the key, right? So what are they doing with is there any things to look for in terms of renewal, right? Like,
yeah, look for a really juiced up renewal fee.
Yes. Yeah.
I think that's what you're alluding to. No, but a lot of lenders will say, I'll lend you the money for 12 months, but then I'm going to charge you a $20,000 renewal fee. That's essentially me saying, I don't want to renew your mortgage. I'm going to make it completely unrealistic for it to be renewed. So you look for that in it. And another thing too is mortgage investment corporations. I can't stress enough. They're good. They are in the business of lending money. Mom, dad, investor, it's their retirement funds want to make extra money, but they're not in the business of making money. So when your client has a mortgage investment corporation, they're okay to renew it.
Yeah.
They're in the business to renew it. They will do that. They have mortgage administration. They have the team. They have everybody to do that. So that's okay. The other side, just need to be a little bit more aware.
It's just like that private investor that buys a condo, a condo, and then the rates go up and then they charge more rent, or they sell it so they can raise capital. Where you have somebody who does a purpose-built apartment, they're not into that. This is a business.